Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to use Elementor in WordPress for beginners in super easy and super simple steps. So we'll just go right in and start with the whole thing because it's actually pretty easy to create a website all in like Elementor, then just like put it in your WordPress page. Of course, everything starts by the login. I will skip these parts to make the video more condensed, but of course you can just like log in with an email or Gmail account, with Facebook and a lot of like socials. And when you press login, as you can see, since I already had my account saved, it will instantly just like say, hey, let's go. Let's just like create a hosted website. So of course, in the website section, I can just like use the, of course, create a hosted website. And of course, to see your site, be sure to install Elementor on your WordPress website. So we need to have this, and we need to connect to Elementor's kits library. If you have those, you will be able to see the websites, like your WordPress website, on here instantly. As you can see guys, the Elementor website builder is like on the WordPress page. It's of course free for the business plan. So of course, if your like WordPress is the free version, you will not be able to get this by itself, of course. But of course, like you can just like go on and like upgrade to a business plan, which is like kind of cheap. It's like 20 bucks or something per month. And then you'll be able to just like activate the Elementor website builder. And of course, it's just like so simple. But of course, I will just show you guys how it works on an average, like just WordPress website. We will just say create a hosted website. As you can see, like when you want to do that, of course, you would have to do a migration. Like you can do it for WooCommerce. You can do it for WordPress. There's like the light version, the basic version, the business version, the grow version, which is like big and it has like a multi-website plan. Like as you can see, depending on the amount of websites you choose, you will be able to do more and more and more. Of course, the whole thing with like the whole Elementor is the drag and drop features that they have. So like you don't need any coding, you don't need anything else. You just have a page, you drag and drop stuff on top of the page itself, and then you will be able to change the pages, change how it looks. It's like a super easier version of Photoshop, but like on a website form. So you just say like, hey, this is how I want it to look. And then it just like does the whole coding in the background, which is just like such a cool feature to like people that doesn't know how to code. Because like, yeah, if you don't know how to code, you won't be able to make websites looking this cool back in the old days. But now with like the drag and drop features, you are easily able to do it. Because like you have like motion effects, you have the backgrounds as it's seen here, and you have like the different titles, you have different writings, you have different pages with different names and features, which is instantly integrated with the WordPress itself. Of course, the whole like drag and drop thing goes for all pages and for all segments of a web page. Like as you can see, like you can make it flexible, which means you can like adjust it for different screen sizes, different resolutions, different like portable screens. You can make it for phones. You can make it for like the average monitor we're using right now. I also have like a second monitor, for example. This is like 5x4. So like you can make it like fit everything you can need. It's like called custom positioning, which is just like one of the best features they have. And of course, the more you use it, the more you will be like accustomed to how it goes. And of course, like you have different like logos, you have the links, you have the navigation menus. And of course, the more you go, the more you add. And if you know coding, which means you can just like go on and like customize it with its open source feature, which like is not that helpful for me because I don't know coding that much. But if you guys know coding, that could be a perfect feature for you. Like, you could make it visually look the move you want it, and then you can just like go on to the coding side and make it even better by adding your custom code, which is just insane for like a website production, which makes it much more professional and at least make it feel professional. Of course, like with the widgets and everything, they're just like a simple tool. Like back in the old day, like you would have to code every single thing, but now they just like turn it into basic widgets. It's basically just coding, but better, so to say. Because like, imagine trying to do something like this with the old technology, without like the drag and drop features and everything. Try imagining trying to code this. It would be such a hassle. But now you just add on top of things. You just like add the different attributes, you add your text, you handle the layers, and then boom, you have a website of your own, which is code free if you want. It offers a perfect experience. It's not free, unfortunately, but once you get it, it's the ultimate experience, and it's fully self-reliant, and it does not need anything else other than your WordPress. But of course, this is like a simple tutorial because of course you would need to get it. And I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. And of course, I hope to see you guys in the other videos as well. Have a great day and goodbye.